Imagine living in a village where downloading a simple file takes hours, or making a video call is next to impossible. Well, that's about to change. Starlink satellite internet service is coming to India, and it could revolutionize how we connect to the world. So, what is Starlink? Starlink is an advanced satellite-based internet service developed by SpaceX, designed to provide high-speed connectivity worldwide. Unlike regular broadband, which uses underground cables, Starlink sends internet signals from space straight to a small dish installed at your home. This means even in the most remote villages, you can get high-speed internet without waiting for cables to be laid. Here's how Starlink satellite internet service works. A Starlink dish is set up at your home, just like a regular TV dish. It connects to many small satellites orbiting the Earth, which then send and receive data between your device and the internet. Because these satellites are closer to Earth than regular ones, your internet becomes much faster and more reliable, with less delay in loading websites, streaming videos, or making video calls. The significance of Starlink for India. India is a growing digital economy, but there are still millions of people without access to proper internet. Rural villages, hilly regions, and even many urban areas struggle with slow connections. This is where Starlink can be a game changer, providing fast internet in areas where traditional broadband just can't reach. How Starlink will transform internet access in India. With Starlink, people can enjoy fast internet no matter where they live, whether in a remote village, deep in the forest, or high up in the mountains. This means students in rural areas can easily attend online classes without struggling with slow connections. It also helps small businesses and startups grow, allowing people in small towns to sell their products and services to customers around the world. Video calls and streaming movies will be smooth, with no more buffering or interruptions. Most importantly, Starlink remains reliable even during natural disasters like floods or earthquakes, when traditional internet services often fail. This makes internet access more stable, reliable, and accessible for everyone, everywhere. Starlink pricing and expected launch date in India. As of February 2025, we are still waiting for official updates on Starlink pricing and launch date in India. With Starlink, no matter where you live, high-speed internet will be at your fingertips. Would you be interested in Starlink when it launches in India? Let us know in the comments. I will continue adding more videos to explain other interesting educational topics and concepts in a simple and easy to understand way. Be sure to check out the other videos in this playlist for more easy to understand details. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting updates.